6890 received a call from the number ending 1698. That call lasted 206 seconds, and the tower picked up was Queenswood.
Ngomhla 20 August 2020, isikhathi kwawo 16:35 and 13 seconds. Le number egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number ethi 16980 bahlala imizuzwana amakhulu amabili nesithupha. Ithawa ke esetshenziswa ke kwakuyi Queenswood.
Thank you. Then, still on Exhibit DD5E, Roman figure 1, let's proceed to page 3. Can you pick up the first activity between the number ending with 5890 as well as the number ending with 1698 on that page? If I can direct you.
Yes.
2043 and 48.
At 204348, the number ending 6890 received an SMS from the number ending 1698, and the tower picked up there was Queenswood.
Ngesikhathi sika 2048 the number egcina ngo6890 yathola iSMS evela kule number egcina ngo1698 ithawa esetshenziswa uQueenswood.
Okay. And then yes.
Thereafter, excuse me, at 2046.
No, let's leave that because it's a lot of data. Let's go to the last activity on that page. It's on at 1738 and 28.
At 1738:28 on the 29th of August.
23rd.
My apologies, 23rd. The number ending 6890 received a call that lasted 112 seconds from the number ending 1698, and the tower picked up was Queenswood.
Ngomhla 23 August, ngesikhathi kwawo 17:38:28 second, le number egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1698 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu ishumi nambili besenzisa ke ithawa ukuthiwa iQueenswood.
Yes, and then on page 4. August 2020, 1926.
At 19:26:48, the number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, which lasted 69 seconds, and Queenswood was picked up there.
So isikhathi ke 1926:48 number egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1 inumber egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1698 bahlala imizuzwana amashumi ayisithupha isishagalolunye wemizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke ithawa eQueenswood.
And then again on the 23rd of August 2020 at 21:50 and 21.
21:50:21 seconds, still on the 23rd. 689. Picked up there.
Tage, ngayo mhla 23, isikhathi u-21:50, 21 seconds. Number egcina 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kune number egcina ngo-1698. Bahlala ke imizuzwana ewu 695 amakhulu ayisithupha amashumi ayisishiyagalolunye nanhlanu kusetshenziswa ithawa yaseQueenswood.
And then still on page 4, 25 August 2020, 11:09:24.
At 11:09, it looks like 24 seconds. An MTC was received by the number 6890, lasted 311 seconds from the number 1698. Queenswood was picked up as well.
Mhla 29, ngomhla 25 enyangeni ka-August 2020, isikhathi u-11:09:24 second. Number egcina 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina 1698. Bahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu amathathu ishumi nanye wemizuzwana basebenzisa iQueenswood ithawa.
On page 5, 25 August 2020 at 20:43. And 19 seconds.
Yeah. That was a call received by the number ending 6890 from the number ending 1698, and that lasted 2,280 seconds, and Queenswood was picked up there.
So lapho umhla 25 ngesikhathi u-20:43 and 90 seconds. Number egcina u-6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina u-1698. Bahlala ke iy'nkulungwane ezimbili amashumi amabili amakhulu amabili namashumi ayisishiyagalombili emizuzwana. Lapho ke kusetshenziswa ithawa eQueenswood.
Okay, still on page 5, 25 August 2020 at 21:24.
21:24:25 seconds. The number ending 6890 made an outgoing call to the number ending 1698, which lasted 945 seconds, and Queenswood was picked up there.
So mhla 25 August lapho ke isikhathi ku-21:24:25 seconds. The number egcina u-6890 yashaya ucingo eshayela le number egcina 1698. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyamakhulu ayisishiyagalolunye namashumi amane nanhlanu emizuzwana. Ithawa esetshenziswa lapho kwakuyiQueenswood.
On page 6, 26 August 2020 at 6:55.
26 August, 6:55:24 seconds. The number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, and that lasted 325 seconds. Queenswood was picked up there again.
Ngomhla 6 August isikhathi 06:55:24 inamba ecingo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kunenamba 1698 bahlala emizuzwana 325 wemizuzwana lapho ke kwakusetshenziswa itower iQueenswood.
Again, 26 August 2020 at 21:46:51.
(21:46:51). There was a call received by 6890, which was made from 1698. It lasted 1,500 seconds, and Queenswood was picked up as the tower.
Isikhathi 21:46:51 inamba ecingo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kunamba egcina 1698 bahlala ke inkulungwane namakhulu amahlanu emizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke le tower iQueenswood.
Then 27 August 2020 at 9:32.
At 9:32:15 seconds, there was a call made from 6890 to the number ending 1698 with a duration of 0 seconds, and Queenswood was picked up there.
Ngomhla 27 August 2020 isikhathi 09:32:15 seconds number egcina ngo 6890 yathola yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba egcina ngo 1698 bahlala ke akubanga nemizuzwana lapho kwaba yiqanda nje ukusho ukuthi ke akubanga naqhumana base ke besenzisa le tower iQueenswood.
And then immediately after that call,
At 9:32:23 seconds, there was an outgoing call from 6890 to 1698, and that lasted 629 seconds, with Queenswood being picked up.
So go 09:32:23 seconds. Inamba 6890 yashaya ucingo ishayela number 1698 kwabahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu ayisithupha amashumi amabili neshagalolunye imizuzwana kusetshenziswa iQueenswood.
and then on page 7, the 30 August 2020 at 17:52.
Sorry, what time was that? 17?
52:53.
17. On 30
August.
30 August. 17.
On page 7.
Yeah, I am on page 7.
I think it's the first call there on top.
17. Please repeat the date and time again.
30 August 2020, 17:52.
30 August 2020, 17:52.
Yes. And 53 seconds.
That's on page.
We're on page 7.
This is on page 8. Oh, page 7. Oh, my apology. 17:52:53. 6890 received a call from 1698. Lasted 556 seconds. Queenswood.
Mhla 30 August 2020, isikhathi 17:52:53 seconds, number egcina 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina 1698. Imizuzwana ke ebahlala kwaku amakhulu amahlanu namashumi amahlanu nesithupha imizuzwana kusetshenziswa iQueenswood.
I just want to correct you for a second, please. You've given me 2 page 7s.
Oh.
So we might get lost along the way with the numbering of pages.
Okay.
Therefore, I could not find that activity.
It's fine. Do you have page 8?
I do have page 8, yes.
Okay. Let's proceed to page 8. The 1st August 2020 at 21:31 and 31.
21:31:31 seconds. The number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, lasted 1,128 seconds, and Queenswood was picked up.
Ngomhla 31 August 2020, isikhathi 21:31:31, number egcina 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina 1698. Bahlale inkulungwane ikhulu nemashumi amabili nesishiyagalombili wemizuzwana ithawa esetshenziswa iQueenswood.
Okay, on page 9. The 1st of September 2020 at 6:38 and 57.
At 6:38:57, 6890 received a call from 1698, lasted 443 seconds. Queenswood was picked up.
Mhla 1st September, number isikhathi 06:38:57, the number 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-1698. Bahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu amane namashumi amane nantathu ithaya babesebenzisa kwakuyiQueenswood.
1 September 2020 at 21:46.
21:46:32 seconds. 6890 received a call from 1698. It lasted 3,377 seconds, and Queenswood was picked up as the tower.
Mhla 1 September isikhathi 21:46:32 seconds, number egcina 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number 1698. Bahlala ke inkulungwane ezintathu amakhulu amathathu namashumi ayisikhombisa nesikhombisa emizuzwana besebenzisa ke iQueenswood.
Okay. 2 September 2020 at 8:59 and 25 seconds. Still on page 9.
8:59:25 seconds. Number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, lasted 459 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Mhla 2 September isikhathi 08:59:25 seconds, inumber egcina 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina 1698. Bahlala ke amakhulu amane namashumi ayisihlanu nesishiyagalolunye wemizuzwana besebenzisa iQueenswood.
Page 10. 3 September 2020, 21:40 and 22.
September.
At the bottom.
September 21:40:22. There was an incoming call to number 6890 from 1698 that lasted 1,063 seconds, and the tower was Queenswood.
Mhla 3 September 2020, isikhathi 21:40:22. Number ecingo 6890 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number ecingo 1698. Bahlala ke inkulungwane eyodwa namashumi ayisithupha nantathu wemizuzwana bekusetshenziswa itower eQueenswood.
Page 11. For September 2020 at 9:21:43.
At 9:21:43 seconds, there was an outgoing call from 6890 to 1698 that lasted 123 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
So, mhla 4 September, isikhathi was on 9:21:43 seconds. Khona inumber egcina ngo 6890 yashayela uyashaya ucingo ishayela le number egcina 1698. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu shumi amabili nantathu besenzisa ke iQueenswood Tower.
Page 12. 6 September 2020 at 21:38 and 1 second.
21:38 1 second on the 6th of September. The number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, which lasted 1,216 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Mhla 6 September 2020, isikhathi 21:38:01. Lapho inumber egcina ngo 6890 iyathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1698. Bahlala ke inkulungwane amashumi amabili neshumi nesithupha emizuzwana kusetshenziswa iQueenswood.
Still on page 12. 7 September 2020 at 22:04 and 14 seconds.
2204. That was an outgoing call made by the number ending 6890, which lasted 658 seconds, to the number ending 1698, with Queenswood being picked up as the tower.
So, mhla 7 September 2020, isikhathi 22:04 and 40 seconds. Number egcina 6890 yashaya ucingo ishayela number egcina 1698. Bahlala ke ucingweni imizuzu eyamakhulu ayisithupha amashumi amahlanu nesishiyagalombili wemizuzwana lapho kusebenzisa itower iQueenswood.
Page 13. 8 September 2020, 22:54 and 4 seconds.
During that time, 8 September, the number ending 6890 made an outgoing call to the number ending 1698, which lasted 530 seconds, with the Queenswood Tower being picked up.
Ngomhla 8 September 2020, ngalo so leso sikhathi inumber ke 6890 yashaya ucingo ishayela inumber egcina ngo 1698. Bahlala ke amakhulu ayisihlanu namashumi amathathu emizuzwana kusetshenziswa iQueenswood Tower.
On page 14, 9 September 2020 at 23:05.
23:05:23 seconds. The number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698 that lasted 1,448 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Mhla 9 September 2020, isikhathi 23:05:23 seconds. number egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1698 bahlala inkulungwane amakhulu amane namashumi amane nesishiyagalombili emizuzwana besenziswa itower iQueenswood.
Page 15. 10 September 2020 at 21, 38 and 37.
During this time, number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, lasted 1,816 seconds, with Queenswood being picked up.
Mhla 10 September 2020 ngaso leso sikhathi inamba egcina ngo6890 iyathola ucingo oluvela kune number egcina ngo1698 bahlala ke emizuzwana eyinkulungwane amakhulu ayishagalombili neshumi nesithupha emizuzwana lapho ke bekusenziswa itower iQueenswood.
12 September on page 16.
September
1706, 46.
1706, 46 seconds. The number ending 6890 made a call to the number ending 1698, lasted 52 seconds, with Queenswood being picked up.
So mhla 12 September 2020 isikhathi 1706 and 46 inamba egcina ngo6890 yashaya ucingo ngishayela inamba egcina ngo1698 bahlala emizuzwana amashumi amahlanu nambili kusenziswa itower iQueenswood.
14 September 2020 at 20:01:26, page 17.
(20:01:26) on the 14th of September. Number ending 6890 made a call to number ending 1698, lasted 191 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
So ngomhla 14 September isikhathi u20:01:26 number egcina ngo6890 yashaya ucingo ngishayela le number egcina ngo1698 bahlala ke ikhulu nemashumi ayisishiyagalolunye nanye wemizuzwana kusenziswa ke itower iQueenswood.
And then on page 18, 15 September 2020, 13, 11 and 12.
13, 11, 12 seconds. There was a call received by 6890 from 1698, lasted 1,782 seconds, and Queenswood was still the tower.
So 5 September 2020, isikhathi u13:11:12 seconds. Inamba egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1698 bahlala ke imizuzwana eyinkulungwane amakhulu ayisikhombisa amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nambili kusenziswa ke itower lana iQueenswood.
And then still on page 18, the call thereafter.
The call thereafter was another received call by 6890, which lasted 1,855 seconds from 1698, and the tower remains as Queenswood.
So in ucingo olulandelayo luvela ku1698 luya kule number u6890 lapho bahlala khona inkulungwane amakhulu ayisishiyagalombili amashumi amahlanu nanhlanu emizuzwana tower esetshenziswayo i-Queenswood.
Please, the tower on record. Time and tower.
Time 13:56:01, 15 September, Tower, Queenswood.
Isikhathi ke, what is the date?
15 September 2020.
So mhla 15 September isikhathi ke kwaku 13:56:01. Ilapho ke sikhulume ukuthi inumber ke u6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1698 bahlala imizuzwana eyinkulungwane amashumi ayisishiyagalombili amashumi amahlanu nanhlanu emizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke iQueenswood.
Page 19. 16 September 2020 at 19:57 and 39.
19:57:39 on the 16th of September. The number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, which lasted 630 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Ngomhla 16 September 2020 isikhathi u1957:39 lapho ke number egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1698 hlala ke imizuzwana eyamashumi ayisithupha nemashumi amathathu kusetshenziswa ke iQueenswood town.
And thereafter.
Thereafter, the following transaction is at 20:33:31 seconds. A call received by 6890 from 1698, lasting 840 seconds, and Queenswood remains the tower.
So ke emva ngesikhathi sika 20:33:31 second lapho ke inumber egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo1698 bahlala imizuzwana amakhulu ayisishiyagalombili namashumi amane emizuzwana lapho ke kwakusetshenziswa ke iQueenswood.
Still on page 19. 17 September 2020 at 21, 26 and 27.
During that time, number ending 6890 received a call from number ending 1698, lasted 1,800 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Mhla 17 September 2020 ngaso leso sikhathi inumber egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kune number egcina ngo1698 bahlala ke inkulungwane namakhulu ayisishiyagalombili emizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke itower eQueenswood.
Page 20. 19 September 2020 at 21:00.
At 2100 hours, 19 September, number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698, and that lasted 864 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Kuthiwa mhla ka19 isikhathi ke kwaku9 ngqo kwantambama number egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela ku1698 bahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu ayisishiyagalombili amashumi ayisithupha nane emizuzwana lapho kusetshenziswa itower eQueenswood.
And thereafter.
Thereafter, at 9:15:23 seconds, the number ending 6890 received a call from 1698, lasting 1,364 seconds, and Queenswood was the tower picked up.
Can I verify the time?
21:15 23 seconds.
Isikhathi ke sesu 15 minutes past 9 and 23 seconds. Lapho inamba egcina ngo6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1698. Bahlala ke inkulungwane amashumi amathathu shumi nesithupha nane amasekondi emizuzwana besenzisa yona kwinzuzo.
On page 21. September 2020, 22, 31, 24.
During this time, the number ending 6890 received a call that lasted 2,220 seconds from the number ending 1698, and Queenswood was picked up as the tower.
To mhla 20 isikhathi kwaku 22 31 24 number egcina ngo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1698. Bahlala ke ucingweni isikhathi esilingana nenkulungwane ezimbili amashumi amabili amakhulu amabili namashumi amabili emizuzwana. Seziswa ke ithawa ke iQueenswood.
Page 22. 22 September 2020 at 21:16 and 11.
During this time, 6890 received a call from the number ending 1698. Queenswood was the tower, and that lasted 960 seconds.
So ke ngomhla 22 uSeptember isikhathi 16 minutes past 9 and 11 seconds. Lapho inamba egcina ngo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1698. Lapha hlala khona ucingweni amakhulu ayishagalolunye namashumi ayisithupha emizuzwana. Senziswa le tower iQueenswood.
On page 23. 23 September 2020 at 22:02:30.
22:02:30 seconds. 6890 received a call from 1698, lasted 1020 seconds. Queenswood was the tower.
Can you please that again? I missed some of the information.
23 September, 22:02:30 seconds. Number ending 6890 received a call from number ending 1698 that lasted 1020 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Mhla 23 September isikhathi kwa 22:02:30 second. Lapho ke kuthiwa inamba egcina ngo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kune number egcina ngo 1698. Bahlala kucingweni inkulungwane namashumi amabili imizuzwana. Senziswa ke ithawa iQueenswood.
Still on page 23, 24 September 2020 at 22:53.
At 22:53:03 seconds, 6890 received a call from 1698 that lasted 1381 seconds, and Queenswood was the tower picked up.
Ngomhla ka is it 28?
24.
22:53:03 seconds, 24th September.
Mhla 24 September isikhathi ku 22:53:03 inamba egcina 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela ku le namba egcina 1698. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyinkulungwane amashumi amathathu amakhulu amathathu amashumi ayisishiyagalombili nanye wemizuzwana. Senziswa iQueenswood.
On page 24. 25 September 2020 at 21:57.
At 21:57:24 seconds, 6890 received a call. It lasted 405 seconds from 1698, and Queenswood was the tower.
Ngomhla 25 September 2020 isikhathi u-21:57 and 24 seconds. Inamba egcina ngo-6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-1698 kwahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu amane nanhlanu lapho kusetshenziswa itower eQueenswood.
Page 25. First call on the 27th of November, just on top.
At 22:06:56, 6890 made an outgoing call to 1698, lasted 321 seconds, and the tower picked up was Queenswood.
Target ngomhla 27 isikhathi u-22:06:56 inamba egcina ngo-6890 yashaya ucingo ishayela nenamba u-1698 bahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu amathathu amashumi amabili nanye imizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke itower ke Queenswood.
I'm not sure if I said November or September. It's 27 September.
27 September.
All right. Page 26.
Bethiwa lapho besikhuluma mhla 27 kuSeptember.
September 2020 at 21:32.
21:32 seconds. 6890 received a call from 1698, which lasted 22,281 seconds, and Queenswood was the tower.
Ngomhla 29 September isikhathi ku-21:32 second inamba egcina ngo-6890 yathola ucingo oluvela ku-1698 lapho bahlala ke inkulungwane ezimbili amakhulu amabili namashumi ayisishiyagalombili nanye wemizuzwana lapho ke itower esetshenziswa kwayi-Queenswood.
Page 27. 30 September 2020 at 21:42.
During this time, 21:42:27 seconds, 6890 received a call from 1698. It lasted 455 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower again.
Ngomhla 30 September isikhathi ku-21:42 and 27 seconds inamba egcina ngo-6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ku-1698 bahlala ke imizuzwana engamakhulu amane amashumi ayisihlanu nanhlanu kusetshenziswa ke iQueenswood.
Page 28. 1 October 2020, 22:34 and 38.
22:34:38 seconds. 6890 received a call from 1698, lasting 1,217 seconds, with Queenswood being the tower.
Ngomhla 1st ku-October isikhathi ku-22:34 and 38 seconds inamba egcina ngo-6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-1698 bahlale ke inkulungwane amakhulu amabili ishumi nesikhombisa emizuzwana kusetshenziswa ke iQueenswood
Okay.
Tower.
Okay, just at this stage, ma'am, can you confirm that from the 20th of August until the 30th of the 30th of September 2020, the two numbers were constantly in communication every day?
Ngaletha ke isiqiniseko sokuthi kusona umhla 20 ku-August yofika mhla 30 kuSeptember lezi namba ezimbili zazinokuxhumana kakhulu.
Yes, I can confirm communication between these two numbers.
Athi yebo ngingasiletha isiqiniseko sokuxhumana kwalezi nombolo.
Page 29. For October 2020, on page 29, $20.51,
20:51, 26 seconds, 6890 received a call from 1698. It lasted 157 seconds, and Queenswood was the tower.
Mhla 4 October esikhathi ke kwaku 21:51 and 26 seconds. Inamba egcina ngo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1698. Bahlala ke imizuzwana eyikhulu amahlanu nesikhombisa emizuzwana sensoke iQueenswood.
Okay. And on the 1st of October 2020 at 22:11:02, still on page 29.
During this time, 6890 received a call lasting 553 seconds from 1698, and it remains as Queenswood.
Mhla 4 ngaso leso sikhathi inamba egcina ngo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1698. Ahlala ke imizuzwana amakhulu ayisihlanu amashumi ayisihlanu nantathu kusasetshenziswa yona iQueenswood.
Okay. Are you able to confirm at this stage on what you have placed on record whether this number ending with 6890 was in communication with other contacts?
Ngasiletha isiqiniseko sokuthi le number egcina ngo 6890 yayiqhumana yini nezinye inombolo.
Yes, I can.
Yebo ngiyakwazi.
30, page 30, 6 October 2020, 070718.
During this time, 6890 received a call from 1698 lasting 422 seconds, and it remains as Queenswood for the tower.
Kuthiwa mhla 6 ku October sikhathi 0707 20 seconds. Le number igcina ngo 6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule number egcina ngo 1698. Ahlala ke imizuzwana yamakhulu amane amashumi amabili nambili kusetshenziswa ke itower iQueenswood.
And then at this stage, are you able to confirm that the device, the phone number, the SIM card number, and the tower remains unchanged throughout?
Yes, that is correct.
Athi yebo ngesiqiniseko sokuthi ifoni iSIM card nawo yonke lokhu kuhlale kuyinto eyodwa nje ngaso sonke lesi sikhathi.
Page 31. 7 October, 10:54:55.
At 10:54:55 seconds, 6890 received a call from 1698 lasting 98 seconds, with Queenswood remaining the tower.
Ngomhla 7 ku-October, inamba isikhathi kwaku-10:54 and 55 seconds, inamba egcina ngo-6890 yathola ucingo oluvela kule namba egcina ngo-1698. Bahlala imizuzwana engamashumi ayishagalolunye nesishagalombili wemizuzwana. Lapho-ke basebenzisa itower iQueenswood.
Yes.
Can I proceed, sir?
Now wait for Mr. Meyiwa.
Thank you, Madam, for your indulgence. Okay. My Lord, my instruction from accused number 1 is that he is not feeling well. He has experienced a running stomach this morning.
So what should we do?
He indicated to me that he requests the matter to stand down, to be adjourned until tomorrow.
2 o'clock.
Tomorrow.
When did you get the stomach problem?
He just got it this morning.
Yes, the state.
Okay. My Lord, if then that is the case, if an accused number 1 is unable to proceed at this stage, we can adjourn the matter until tomorrow.
So what medication is he going to take?
May I approach?
The doctor, I'm going to need a certificate of the doctor who gives the medication and examines him and tell us what is actually wrong.
Indeed so, my Lord.
There's a clinic at the hospital there, at the prison.
That's what he's saying, my Lord. He's going to approach, consult the nurse.
So he'll be treated by a nurse, not a doctor.
Normally, I don't think so.
I see somebody wants to speak there.
So is it doctors or?
Which
Which
jail is it?
Modabim.
What?
Modabim.
Moda B.
That's correct.
Yeah, Moda B, I know there's a
doctor.
there's a clinic inside there. Just find out, because that's what I know from.
I did confirm that, my Lord.
How do you confirm?
I've confirmed that there is a clinic inside prison and there is a nurse on duty, and the doctors, they come as per schedule.
Okay. Can nurses issue certificates?
I think they should.
At the prison, I think if instructed by the court order, they will issue a certificate.
Okay. Will you write that letter, Mr. Baloi or Mr. Sibanda? Okay, thanks. Yeah. Okay, accused number 1 says not feeling well. They need some medical attention. Are you available tomorrow, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay, then this court will have to
So, before the court adjourns, I request that I take this opportunity to consult with accused number 2 so that this is not taken to prison now. So I request the wardens from Koshimanguru to indulge us, my lord.
For how long?
It's maybe an hour, my lord.
Is that okay? An indulgence for an hour, so that accused number 2 can consult with his legal representative. What's the time now? 11:45. Okay, I'll make it up. You can take them at 2. Is it okay? 1 o'clock.
It's okay.
1 o'clock.
Yes.
So, my lord, can I also join my lord in that consultation until 1 o'clock?
Yeah, 1 p.m. Okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord. You are invited.
So it's basically all of us, man.
Is that so?
Yes.
I really said something. Okay, the court will then adjourn.